Activity control is a crucial process in project management. It involves monitoring, evaluating, and regulating project activities. The goal is to ensure the project stays on track and meets its objectives. Effective activity control is essential for project success. It helps project managers identify deviations from the plan and allows for timely corrective actions. By controlling activities, project managers can mitigate risks, manage resources, and deliver the project on time and within budget. This essay explores the key aspects of activity control. We will discuss monitoring, performance measurement, issue identification, and risk and change management. We will also examine the importance of activity control. This essay will provide insights into the challenges of activity control and discuss strategies to overcome these challenges. This essay is a valuable resource for new project managers and business students seeking to understand activity control in project management. Monitoring project progress is a fundamental aspect of activity control. It involves tracking the progress of project activities against the planned schedule and budget. Regular monitoring allows project managers to identify potential delays or cost overruns early on. Project managers can use various techniques to monitor progress, including regular status meetings, progress reports, and site visits. Project management software can automate much of the monitoring process, providing real-time updates on the status of tasks, milestones, and resources. Effective monitoring helps ensure that the project stays on schedule and within budget. It allows project managers to make informed decisions about resource allocation and task prioritization. By closely monitoring project progress, project managers can proactively address potential problems before they escalate. Performance measurement is another critical element of activity control. It involves evaluating the efficiency and effectiveness of project activities. By measuring performance, project managers can determine whether the project is meeting its objectives and identify areas for improvement. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are used to measure project performance. KPIs are quantifiable metrics that reflect critical aspects of the project. They can include metrics such as task completion rate, budget variance, and customer satisfaction. Performance measurement provides valuable insights into the project's health. It allows project managers to identify areas where performance is lagging and take corrective actions. By regularly measuring and analyzing performance, project managers can optimize project activities and ensure successful project outcomes. Identifying and addressing issues is an integral part of activity control. Issues are unforeseen problems or obstacles that can negatively impact project progress. Effective issue management involves promptly identifying, analyzing, and resolving issues. Project managers can use various methods to identify issues, including regular team meetings, stakeholder feedback, and risk assessments. Once an issue is identified, it is crucial to analyze its root cause and potential impact on the project. Addressing issues effectively requires developing and implementing appropriate solutions. This may involve adjusting the project plan, reallocating resources, or seeking expert advice. By promptly addressing issues, project managers can prevent them from escalating into major problems that jeopardize project success. Risk and change management are essential components of activity control. Risks are potential events or circumstances that can negatively impact the project, while changes are modifications to the project's scope, schedule, or budget. Effective risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks. Project managers use risk assessments to identify potential risks and their likelihood and impact. Risk mitigation strategies are developed to minimize the probability or impact of identified risks. Change management involves evaluating and approving proposed changes to the project. A formal change control process ensures that all changes are reviewed and approved before implementation. Managing risks and changes effectively helps to keep the project on track and minimize disruptions. Activity control is crucial for achieving project success. It provides numerous benefits that contribute to the overall effectiveness and efficiency of project management. By implementing robust activity control mechanisms, project managers can significantly enhance the likelihood of project success. Effective activity control enables project managers to make informed decisions. By monitoring progress, measuring performance, and identifying issues, project managers gain valuable insights into the project's health. This information empowers them to make data-driven decisions regarding resource allocation, task prioritization, and risk mitigation. Activity control promotes accountability and transparency. By establishing clear performance metrics and monitoring mechanisms, project team members are held accountable for their contributions to the project. Regular progress updates and communication foster transparency among stakeholders, ensuring everyone is informed about the project's status. Activity control plays a vital role in ensuring that project activities remain aligned with the overall project objectives. By regularly monitoring and evaluating activities, project managers can identify any deviations from the planned course and take corrective actions to realign activities with the project goals. Clear project objectives provide a roadmap for activity control. They define the desired outcomes and set the targets for performance measurement. By establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART objectives, project managers can effectively track progress and ensure that activities contribute to the desired results. Regularly reviewing project objectives and comparing them to the current status of activities allows project managers to identify any misalignments. If activities are veering off course, corrective actions can be taken to redirect them towards the intended goals. This iterative process of monitoring, evaluating, and adjusting ensures that all project efforts are focused on achieving the desired outcomes. Timely project completion is a critical success factor. Activity control plays a crucial role in ensuring that projects are delivered on schedule by providing mechanisms for monitoring progress, identifying potential delays, and implementing corrective actions. Effective scheduling is essential for project timeliness. By breaking down the project into smaller tasks and establishing realistic deadlines for each task, project managers can create a detailed schedule that guides the project's timeline. Activity control ensures that tasks are completed according to the schedule. Regular monitoring of progress against the schedule allows project managers to identify potential delays early on. If tasks are falling behind schedule, project managers can take corrective actions, such as reallocating resources, adjusting task dependencies, or revising the schedule. By proactively addressing delays, activity control helps to keep the project on track. Project quality is paramount for customer satisfaction and project success. Activity control contributes to enhancing project quality by providing mechanisms for monitoring deliverables, identifying defects, and implementing corrective actions to ensure that the project meets the required standards. Establishing clear quality standards and acceptance criteria is essential for activity control. By defining the specific requirements for project deliverables, project managers can effectively monitor and evaluate the quality of work produced. Regular inspections, reviews, and testing can be conducted to ensure that deliverables meet the defined standards. If defects or deviations from quality standards are identified, activity control enables project managers to take corrective actions. This may involve rework, process improvements, or additional training for team members. By addressing quality issues promptly and effectively, activity control helps to ensure that the final project deliverables meet the required quality standards. While activity control is essential for project success, it can present challenges, particularly in complex projects or those with limited resources. Understanding these challenges and implementing effective strategies to overcome them is crucial for successful activity control. One common challenge is resource constraints. Projects often operate with limited budgets, timeframes, and personnel. Effective resource allocation and management are crucial for overcoming this challenge. Prioritizing activities, optimizing resource utilization, and exploring alternative solutions can help maximize resource efficiency. Another challenge is project complexity. Large-scale projects with multiple stakeholders, intricate dependencies, and evolving requirements can make activity control more demanding. Implementing a structured approach to project management, utilizing project management software, and fostering clear communication among stakeholders can help streamline activity control in complex projects. Activity control is the backbone of effective project management. By enabling project managers to monitor progress, measure performance, identify and address issues, and manage risks and changes, activity control ensures that projects stay on track, meet objectives, and deliver successful outcomes. Mastering activity control requires a deep understanding of its key components, techniques, and challenges. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, project managers can enhance their activity control capabilities and significantly increase the likelihood of project success. As new project managers and business students embark on their project management journeys, embracing the principles and practices of activity control will equip them with the essential skills to navigate the complexities of project execution and deliver exceptional results.